This is a classic calculus-related rates problem, and you're first going to try it without using calculus. Now, you're not going to get an exact answer, but you can get a reasonable estimate, and then we're going to do it a calculus-y way, and you're going to think it's amazing. So the problem statement is that you have a 10-foot ladder leaning against a wall. The top of the ladder starts sliding down the wall at a constant rate of 1 foot per second. How fast is the base of the ladder moving when it is 6 feet from the wall? In other words, how fast is the base moving when it hits Bart Simpson at the bottom there? So the first thing I did was I took a separate piece of paper and I used the scale on the side to mark off my 10-foot ladder. So here's my 10-foot ladder that I have cut out now, and I've marked it with pen so it shows up clearly. And I'm going to start sliding it down the wall. So here you can see that the top has moved 1 foot, and the bottom, boy, that's moved a whole lot more than 1 foot. And now you can see I moved the top of the ladder down another foot, and the bottom has already hit Bart. So your job is just to figure out how fast that bottom was moving at that moment when it hit Bart. Now you can move the ladder down another foot and kind of estimate. Again, your answer is not going to be exact, but I think you get the idea. So it's all about like sliding that top of the ladder down a foot at a time, seeing how fast the bottom moves, and finally when it hits Bart, see if you can figure out how fast it was moving at that moment in time. Again, this is just going to be an estimate, and we're going to do it the calculus-y way in just a moment. But make sure you write down something. It's much more fun that way. All right. Thanks for watching.